Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Brittany Mills, and today in this video I will be doing a product review from a company that I received on Amazon. The product is the Llano high-speed hair dryer. I will first be doing an unboxing, showing you everything that came in the box and how it was packaged, and also demonstrating how I would be drying and blow drying my hair straight. If you would like to see how I do my process with this wonderful, amazing new blow dryer that I have, stay tuned to the end of the video. To give you guys a little information on this hair dryer, it is a neutralization ion technology, which means it eliminates up to 95% of static electricity and so many other things. As far as, drying time being shorter, you don't have to put too much heat on your hair and it's a faster drying time, prevents hair damage, have a large air volume, airflow. It's lightweight. It's also foldable and portable as well. With that being said, who wouldn't want to travel with their own hair dryer? It has multiple hot and cold air alternating modes, which means you have more options to choose from. Like for me personally, I don't like to blow dry my hair on extremely hot heat. I like to, do it on a medium to cool heat, depending on how straight I'm trying to get my hair. It also has a automatic reverse cleaning function, which you will use the brush to clean the dust from the hair dryer. Another cool and amazing function that this blow dryer has is the magnetic attachments that it have. It comes with 2 different magnetic attachments, which is pretty cool to have different options when blow drying your hair. So now I am ready to start the blow drying process. I have already washed and detangled, prepped my hair. So now I'm just going to start with one plait at a time. I do not like to, blow dry my hair on extremely soaked hair. I like it to be a little damp. While blow drying my hair, I may need to spray just a little water on it to be able to help, run the brush through my hair. Here I am showing you how to properly open a blow dryer. So I'm going to open it, but once I do, this is not fully open. As you can see, the head of the blow dryer is leaning to the side a little. So what you want to do, and a good way to show that it's open correctly, is align the back of the lines and the front of the blow dryer lines together, just like so. And that is the proper way to open the blow dryer. Now you're good to go. The blow dryer also comes with a few different colors to choose from, which you will also see here in this video. So I am now finished blow drying my hair, my whole head. I actually like this blow dryer. It gives off enough, airflow, so it won't take me that long to blow dry my hair. And again, when I blow dry my hair, because I don't do it often, but when I do it to get a more, straight texture, so my hair will be more manageable. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, don't forget to open the blow dryer completely to get the full effect of using the blow dryer properly. So again, here you go. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in.